हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल इंग्लिश शिवाय क्लासेस। आज हम पढ़ेंगे बीए 6 सेमेस्टर के सेकंड पेपर की थर्ड यूनिट, जो है ट्रेन टू पाकिस्तान एन अडेप्टेशन ऑफ ट्रेन टू पाकिस्तान बाय खुशवंत सिंह। हम खुशवंत सिंह और इनका जो वर्क है ट्रेन टू पाकिस्तान, इससे रिलेटेड एमसीक्यूज़ को इसमें डिस्कस करेंगे। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। When was Khushwant Singh born? The answer is C. 2nd Feb 1915. Where was Khushwant Singh born? The answer is C. Hadali, British India. Whom was Khushwant Singh married to? The answer is B. Manwal Malik. When was the pet name of the Khushwant Singh? The answer is C. Khushwant Singh's first work is B. The Mark of Vishnu and Other Story. What was the name of 1998 Indian film adapted from Khushwant Singh's classical novel? The answer is B. Gadarik Prem Katha. In which province of Pakistan was Khushwant Singh born? The answer is C. Punjab. During Singh's time at King's College London, he studied. The answer is A. Law. What award did Singh return? The answer is B. The Padma Bhushan. In 1984, Khushwant Singh returned the honor of Padma Bhushan to the Indian government. What was the reason? The answer is C. He returned to the honor as a protest to the Indian government against the storming of the Golden Temple by Indian Army. In which year was Khushwant Singh awarded Padma Shri, Padma Vibhushan? The answer is 2007. Approximately how many people were displaced during the partition of India? The answer is A. 40 million. To what genre does Train to Pakistan belong? The answer is D. Historical fiction. The novel is told from which point of view? The answer is C. Third person limited. When did Khushwant Singh die? The answer is A. 20 March 2014. When and where was Pamela Rox was born? The answer is B. 28 Feb 1958, Kolkata. When and where was Pamela Rox was died? The answer is A. 1st October 2010, New Delhi. In which year was Train to Pakistan published? The answer is B. 1956. Train to Pakistan is a novel. Who coined the term Pakistan? The answer is B. Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. Who decided to end British rule of India? The answer is A. The Labour government. The novel is told from which point of view? The answer is C. Third person omniscient. Who is the protagonist of Train to Pakistan? The answer is D. Jugga. Train to Pakistan is set in year? The answer is B. 1947. Train to Pakistan is set in the village? The answer is C. Mano Majra. What is the novel's climax? The answer is D. When Jagga stopped the massacre. Which of the following people is not allude to in Train to Pakistan? The answer is C. Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. What is the current capital of Pakistan? The answer is D. Islamabad. What is current capital of India? The answer is B. New Delhi. What is the date of Pakistan's creation? The answer is D. 14 August. What was deadline for Indian British rule in India? The answer is C. June 1948. Which of the following is not a group target in the violence following the partition of India? The answer is D. Christians. What does Prem Singh do at the hotel? The answer is B. Drinks heavily. What does Chand tell the sub-inspector to with Mali's gang? The answer is D. Let them go. What does Iqbal believes is the point of sacrifice? The answer is B. The purpose. What happened to the time schedule in September? The answer is D. Why does the sub-inspector tell Iqbal he should go to Pakistan where he belongs? The answer is D. He thinks he is Muslim. What lights up the railroad tracks? The answer is A. Gunfire. What does Chand do with the young prostitute in the middle of the chapter 2? Section 2. The answer is B. Falls asleep night to her. What does Chand fear Jugga will do at the beginning of the section? The answer is C. Join the gang. What is used this time instead of wood and kerosene? The answer is A. Train to Pakistan was originally titled. The answer is D. Jugga. The central character in Train to Pakistan is D. Jugga. Jugga loves. जुग्गा किससे लव करता था? नूरन से. द ट्रेन फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान इज फुल ऑफ डेड बॉडीज ऑफ हिंदू एंड सिख्स. ट्रेन टू पाकिस्तान इज फुल ऑफ मुस्लिम्स. द विलेज मानू माजरा इनहेबिटेड with Muslim and Sikhs and one Hindu. What does Naruna tell Jugga's mother? The answer is C. She is pregnant. What does Chand believes equal to B? The answer is A. B. Sorry, the A Sikh. What does Chand believes in the holy of the truth? The answer is D. Death. What does Chand demand the sub-inspector do with the Iqbal and Jugga? The answer is C. What do the citizens call the dark age? The answer is A. The Kaliyug. Who arrives and put up tents near the railway station? The answer is D. 6 soldiers. What does Jugga believes in the claims bad acts results in the bad harvest? The answer is C. Karma. What does the sub-inspector determine Iqbal's fate? The answer is D. What wakes Chand following the discussion of the monsoon? The answer is C. Lighting. In what year does the story take place? The answer is C. What is the only Hindu in Manu Majra? The answer is D. What is the Sutle? The answer is C. What is Manu Majra known for? The answer is D. What do the citizens of Manu Majra time of their lives by? The answer is D. The film based on Train to Pakistan is A Train to Pakistan. The film is directed by Pamela Rox. The character of Jugga is played in the film by Nirmal Pandey. The novel is narrated in the first person. The film Train to Pakistan was released in 1998. The film is narrated by Hukum Chand. How many chapters are there in the novel? The answer is D. 4. The first chapter is Dakuti. The second chapter is Kaliyug. The third chapter is Manu Majda. The fourth chapter is Karma. The river mentioned in the novel is Satluj. इसी के साथ ट्रेन टू पाकिस्तान बाई खुशवंत सिंह से रिलेटेड MCQs फिनिश होते हैं. आई होप आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.